How would you like to join the millions of people who are currently working around the world from anywhere? Because more and more countries are starting to create visas for digital nomads, but becoming a fully location independent person does take some time. So today I'm going to give you a 5-step plan for living a life of complete freedom that almost anyone can follow with just a little bit of creativity, hard work, and a desire, and the ability to take a little bit of a risk to get away from that American dream once and for all. That's all coming up today, so stick around. Welcome back to Renegade News. I'm your host, Glenn Kowalski. Every week on this channel, you'll hear the latest news, strategies, and tactics for breaking free from the system, paying less tax, and living anywhere in the world that you want. So let's just get right into it. The biggest reason that I see for people failing to live a successful life abroad is not doing the homework that they need to do before they actually get into it, and by not following a plan. So don't wait until you're ready to actually leave your home country to find that remote job or to start that remote business or to find those passive income streams. Start your research early and instead follow this 5-step plan to living a life of freedom. Step 1 is to focus on your strengths and identify what your key skills and strengths are and how you can effectively market those. The best thing to do is identify problems that need to be solved and then figure out how you can actually solve them. Next, find online work before you leave your home country and try experimenting with different types of work to see which ones work best for you and which are the most lucrative. You can start with the most basic ways of making money in that gig economy. For example, small gigs like typing transcription or teaching English online, and English as a second language. Then from there, continually scan the cyberspace for new opportunities that fit your skills and experience. Next, in step 3, start small but building up your confidence as you go. Because many remote working platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, they pay these slave wages. But if you're just starting out, it's kind of a good way to build a portfolio and a client base while you're working your way up to better paying contracts and positions. And nobody said this was going to be easy. Step 4 is to start valuing your labor more though, and don't waste time on gigs that pay a pittance. Things like taking surveys or micro-task websites that pay pennies. Those types of gigs are never going to give you enough money to achieve your goal of working and surviving abroad or from anywhere. And when you're trying to build up the robust online income, don't waste your time on these micro-task websites like Remote Task, which are AI sites that require you to tag images and do other meaningless work. And when you can make $4 for several hours, avoid those things like the plague. What they're going to do is they're going to grind you down and you're not going to make any money. You're going to lose all your energy and you're not going to get into the positions that you want. So value your labor higher. Instead, if you're a writer, write an ebook and put it on Amazon Kindle, or set up a blogging website and create niched customer-focused websites. Creating and monetizing this website this way can easily earn between $500 and $1,000 per month per website, which really isn't bad compared to those other microsites. And finally, now that you're earning some income and you're not as worried about hand to mouth, start to develop your entrepreneurial skills. Start setting up multiple streams of income, preferably ones that are passive. You can start to hire staff and start building a business instead of just having a job. For example, you can monetize a YouTube channel, or you could have a website that creates multiple blogs and creates affiliate links and JV partnerships. You can find other lucrative investment opportunities like trading in crypto or stocks. You can buy international real estate and create rental income. You can buy existing businesses in your new location or abroad, and so much more. Building a remote income stream is not easy and it does take time, but if you start preparing yourself today, you still can become location independent and start living that life that you want, that life without borders. But the landscape is changing quickly and you need to be strategic about how you do it. So to stay up to date on the latest tactics, as well as get news on the latest infringements and win in your search for more freedom and liberty, make sure to subscribe to Renegade News right now. And check out the video you see on the screen for more information on income and investment opportunities, the best places to live, the latest news, and the most up-to-date strategies on personal, financial, and location independence in this unfree world. I'm Glenn Kowalski from Renegade News, and I'll see you over there.